Welcome to Amazing DM World Channel. Ngayon ay mag-unbox tayo ng isang early Christmas gift na bigay ng aking wife. Ito ay isang wireless gaming headset. Una, kailangan nating isanitize kasi ito ay galing sa labas at hindi natin alam kung sino yung mga nakahawak dito. Kailangan muna nating sprayan ng alcohol bago natin buksan. My wife ordered it through Amazon. It costs $82.99. Inside the box, it includes the Mpow 2.4G wireless gaming headset, the wireless transmitter, user manual, detachable microphone, 3.5mm audio cable, and the USB charging cable. So, bali ito yung mga nakalagay sa loob ng box. After bringing it outside, kailangan ulit natin isa-isa sanitize yung laman ng box to make sure na safe po tayo, lalo na ngayong may pandemic. Here are the items inside the box. Ipapakita ko yung physical features ng headset. So, first, mayroon tayo ng switch button. That's the switch button. Second is this charger port. Diyan po natin isasaksak para charge. One great feature of this headset is that you can use it wireless, and you can use it also using a cord to connect it in your PC. The headset can last for 17 hours if it is fully charged. It has also a soft memory protein air mops and the ergonomic adjustable headband. Multi-platform compatibility. You can use it through gaming or through your PC. You can connect to Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, and mobile devices with 3.5mm jack. Microphone is also detachable, so if you don't want to use it, you can just remove it, or if you feel like uncomfortable using it, you just pull it out. To use it wireless, just plug in the USB transmitter to your PC port. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.